Thanks for watching. This is second video of PDI test. Stay tuned for more videos.
Can you see the sign of roundabout?
Yes.
Second exit, where it's going?
We're going cheap well A103.
Very good. So which lane should you position this time?
In the middle.
What do you need to look for after?
I have to look for the safe gap.
Look your right. Can you see any safe gap now?
Yes.
Go. Well done. Good time of the indicator. To the left, please. Okay, Shukat, how is feeling now?
I'm feeling much confident now.
Do you want to take some more responsibilities?
Yes.
So, by end of the road, we are joining dual carriageway and we are turning right at the roundabout third exit.
Okay.
Do you want to try independently?
Yes.
Okay, I'll suggest you when you go join it to dual carriageway, if you can go straight away to the right lane. If not, join to the left lane, then move to the right lane.
Okay.
After the bend, do you have a gap?
No, it's safe.
Now what do you think? Do you have a gap?
Yes.
Go. Do you know where you're going?
Yes, third exit.
on the left hand side if you find any safe place.
Okay.
It's fine. Secure. Okay, Shukr. Now, what do you think? You are now taking a safe gap. What is the benefit taking the safe gap now?
Yes, if I take the safe gap, then there will be no collisions with my vehicle with the other vehicles, and the vehicle behind me will not get frustrated.
Okay, so like last session we have a problem like people behind they get frustrated now. Now looking now, if you take a safe gap, what do you think? People behind they get frustrated now?
No.
No? Okay. So now, do you know what is the risk involved if you don't take the safe gap?
Yes, there is a risk if I don't take the safe gap, then yeah, I can collision with my right hand side vehicles. Also, my vehicle behind me, yes, they feel disappointed.
Okay. So now we're going again to the roundabout. Now you're doing another exit. Okay. Do you want to do again independently?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Okay. So move on when you're ready.
Okay.
Can you see a hazard in front of you?
Yes, the door is open of the car.
End of the road, turn right. Tell me if you see any changes on the new road.
Okay. Yes, the speed is 20 here.
Take the next road to the right. Tell me if you see any changes on the next road.
Okay. Yes, the speed is 30 here.